Recently, I received a few emails asking for more clay and more detailed projects. And that's what we are focusing on today. My name is Melissa. This is CraftCrumbs. Thank you for joining me. This video focuses on one fall DIY. Most of this video is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to let you watch and hopefully relax. And I will pop in when I think there's something important I need to share. If you've used these wood blanks before, you know that they're very thin, so I'm going to glue this painted piece down on top of another pumpkin blank to give it more girth. Check the description box for links to all of the products I'm using here if you would like to try something like this yourself. After getting this far and stepping back and looking at it, I realized that the two leaves in that flower look more like ears. I think if I would have pushed the leaves further underneath the flower, it wouldn't have stood out so bad. But I'm going to go ahead and remove those and then make some repairs. I am not an artist by any means, but these molds make it entirely doable. I have projects using clay sprinkled throughout the channel, and I'll link a few of those down below for you as well. Please drop a comment and let me know what you think about this. And also, what do you think about a video that focuses on just one project from time to time? If you want more fall DIYs, check out this video next. Thank you for being here with me and watching. Until next time, friend, don't forget to craft what you love.